We are here at the new Servo Drive Excellence Center located in the Customer Experience Center on the Panasonic Campus in Munich. Here, in order to provide our customers with the perfect solution, we are testing, we are programming and giving on-site support. Our scope of services includes testing, programming and general support of Servo Drive applications.
Within this new lab, products from different groups are being connected and form a complete solution for our customers. This workspace is separated from the other laboratories to be able to run endurance tests. In order to provide the perfect solution for the individual needs of our customers, we are testing, programming and provide customer-specific support. For secrecy, we cannot show any customer application, but we can demonstrate the variety of our services on the example of the fair models. The Wheel of Fortune, for example, combines Servo Drive application with safety and sensor technology and shows the easy programming. The second trade fair exhibit, the Minas A6 multi-display, demonstrates 6 axes controlled by a collaboration partner and our latest dual-axis driver. Here we can prove the interoperability with products from partner companies in the field of motion control solutions because we have tested and successfully integrated third-party products. Further services are live trainings on applications, software trainings and support, as well as proof of concept development with customers.
Our attention to details is the support that provides a real benefit to our customers all over Europe. This laboratory as a service product itself is part of the solution approach that makes the difference.
Panasonic Industry.